See, the first thing that I would like to place before the citizens of Meghalaya is that this is a part of the Republic of India, and all citizens of India, whether they are Khasi, Garo, Jaintia, belonging to minor tribes like Hajong, Bodo, then whether they are Bengalis, Assamese, Gurkhas, whatever, they've got an equal right to live here, except to the extent abridged by laws. The rights of so-called non-tribals has been abridged by the bylaws in this state to a very considerable extent, that they cannot buy land except for a small area. And barring that, every other person living in this state permanently or temporarily has an equal right as a citizen. Now, this is non-negotiable. This is, I repeat, non-negotiable, and so long as I am governor, I will do my best to ensure that this happens. Now, having said that, the intention is not to force anyone to do anything, because I have confidence in the goodwill of the people of the state, regardless of whether they are tribals or Khasis or Garos or Jaintias. But I appeal to them, of their own, bury all differences, because these differences will help neither tribals nor non-tribals. It may help some tiny minority of people who are trying to jockey for power and all that, but I am excluding them. If you take the multitude of the people in this state, tribals, non-tribals, indigenous, non-indigenous, it will help no one. What will help is that people work in unison as Indian citizens. So therefore, I appeal to all of them to work without any rancor among themselves and let the state of Meghalaya prosper. I have been saying ever since coming to this state as governor that the future of this state lies in tourism. And the other day, the Chief Minister also echoed my feelings, saying that tourism can be a game changer in the state. What is our intention? Our intention is to see prosperity of the people over here. Our intention is to see the indigenous as well as the non-indigenous people of Meghalaya to grow economically. Now, that can be done only if there is proper harmony among the different groups of the population, and I appeal to everyone to maintain that harmony and make sure that everyone can roam the streets, whether in Shillong or in some remote place like Ratachheda or wherever, with equal confidence. We have an examination going right now, which is bound with the futures of so many young boys and girls. It is important that these examinations are held without any kind of disturbance. But even after the examinations are over, the disturbances must subside. The rule of law must be maintained. The law is Indian law and Meghalaya state law, of course. The rule of law must be maintained, and the state government must be seen to be implementing that law, enforcing that law. Because what is the government meant for? The government is meant for laying down the law and implementing it, if necessary, enforcing it. The state government must be seen to be doing that. Now, I have had detailed talks with the Chief Minister, with the Deputy Chief Minister, with the Home Minister and several other very senior civil servants over here, and they have all concurred in my views They have all assured me that they will do all their very best to implement or to ensure what I am saying. So far I am confident that they are doing their best. I have given them certain suggestions which I would not like to share with the public. These are matters of government, but they have also agreed with the suggestions and they are taking necessary steps. And I wish that in a few days, even before the exams are over, normalcy will return to the state of Meghalaya. And I wish the people all the best, very best, welfare and everything. Jai Hind.